Google just launched a bunch of brand new Gemini updates that are absolutely insane because now you can create product photo shoots from your house without ever having to leave, and they just launched a brand new update that makes Google Gemini and Chrome so much stronger.
Google just killed the $2,000 product photography industry.
Product you upload, and then from here, literally just click on create photo shoot, and then this goes off and creates a photo shoot without us having to hire models, me having to leave my house. In fact, I'm in this hotel room right now. I don't even have this product with me, and I'm going to be able to do this photo shoot. Just like that, this went through and actually created this.
Family inside Google Labs takes one product photo and generates a full professional shoot. Models, holiday themes, lay-down shots, no camera, no studio, no leaving your couch. Small businesses pay $200 for this. You deliver it in 5 minutes for free.
Just put the shorts on a girl, put the shorts on a guy, he's texting, put the shorts on this guy standing next to an Easter egg because we chose that as the theme, and it gives us a lay down shot right here. And then guess what? We could download all of these, we could edit these however we want, we could save these. This is absolutely incredible, and you could literally get this to create hundreds of photos. You don't just have to stop at 4.
Great photos mean nothing if you're still doing everything manually. Wait till you see what Gemini Pro just did inside Chrome.
We put in here. And by the way, while it's actually doing this, we don't just have to get this to do a day trip. You could get this to find you leads. You could get this to go through your email. You can literally get this to automate anything that you are doing in a browser right now with the new Gemini 3.1 Pro mod. So this has now gone through, and this has actually created an itinerary right here.
Gemini 3.1 Pro automates your entire browser, finds leads, reads your emails. It built a full day itinerary with routes and lunch spots by itself. This is the difference between working in your side hustle and having AI work for it.
So it gives me what I'm going to do for morning, what I'm going to do for lunch, what I'm going to do in the afternoon, gives me the route, gives me a confidence level, gives me key caveats right here. It literally shows me where everything is, where I'm going to be driving all of this. And this is absolutely insane. Now, if I wanted to, I could update the location. If I wanted to, I could get this to change this. But this actually did a really, really good job considering.
But most people are feeding AI garbage prompts and wondering why the results are mid. Let me show you the fix.
If we look at the photo that our enhance prompt made, this is it right here. We can see that we have the buffalo here in the field. We have this great river here. We have the mountains. We have the sun setting behind the mountains. Even look at the fog that is coming off of the water here. Looks absolutely incredible. I mean, you could even see like little ripples in the water. This is a very, very advanced photo.
Same tool, same AI. Two completely different results. Basic prompt, fake looking screensaver. Optimized prompt, hyper-realistic buffalo, fog, river, mountains. A free extension called My Prompt Buddy upgrades your prompts automatically. Better prompts, better deliverables, higher pay.
And the reason that we got such an advanced photo is because look at all the detail that was actually put into the prompt right here. Now, if we compare that to the basic prompt that we used, we could see that this is the photo that this created. This made the sun like really, really present. But if you actually think about it, if the sun was setting, the sky wouldn't actually look like that. In addition, this just doesn't look anywhere near as photorealistic. I mean, let's again.
Visuals locked in. But what about presentations? Google just made that stupidly easy too.
Why I clicked into it too much, but we're going to be able to click on more right here. And from here, we're going to be able to click on revise. And this is a brand new feature that now lets us go through everything.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory. It's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
So let's say we want less text on this slide. We could tell it that. Let's say over here, we could say, make this bright red. And then we could see that we could literally go through.
New revise button, change colors, cut text, adjust individual slides without rebuilding the deck. It only touches what you tell it to. Completely free, you can now deliver polished client decks in minutes.
all the different changes that are going to be made to each slide. And what this will actually do is generate a new deck with those changes. It won't change anything else. It will only adapt the changes that you highlighted here. And this allows us to go through and make way better versions of the slides that we're creating, because now we could edit them inside of Notebook.
Slides handled. But what happens when a client sends you an ugly dashboard? Google has a tool for that too.
So we can see that this has now gone through, and this has pitched 3 different ways that this could clean this up. It gives us a clean list approach, which will be minimalist. It gives us the bento box grid, which is going to be modern. And this is going to give us a soft card and categories visual. And what we could actually do is we could ask this to build out any of these.
Stitch's new ID8 feature. Upload a cluttered screenshot. Tell it the problem. Get 3 pro redesign options: minimalist, bento box, soft card, export to Figma, deliver to client. People charge $500 for UI cleanups. This makes it a 5-minute job.
We could ask this to show us what they look like. And now we could see here exactly what this looks like. So we have our original version right here. We have this new version right here, which is going to be the minimalist command center, which I kind of like. We also have this one right here, which I think is actually the best out of all of them. And then if we come over here, we have this too. And actually, I'm going to be stuck between these two. So
that's the full SNAP system. 5 free Google tools that can build you a real side hustle from your couch. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.